Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use Ggives in Shopee. So in order to use Ggives, you will need to open up your Gcash app. Now here on Gcash app, go to View All Services, and then here on View All Services section, scroll down a bit and go to Borrow. Right here, tap on Borrow. And then you'll find here G Loan, G Gives, and G Credit. So select on G Gives. And then once you select on the G Gives, as you can see here, you'll need to tap on OK. And then again, tap on the background to skip all those instructions. So as you can see, you can borrow up to 6,000 pesos, pay over 6 to 9 months, no down payment, and interest rate is 3.99% per month. So tap on Get Started. And as you can see, complete all the details by entering your personal information and by entering your account on Ggives. And once you've got a Ggives or you have just borrowed money from Gcash, it will then add up to your available balance. So once it added to your available balance, then go back to Shopee app. And then here, for example, if you want to go to your shopping cart, and you want to purchase a product, for example, this one here, tap on checkout button at the bottom right. Now here, scroll down and then go to this payment options section. And then here, you want to scroll down and select on payment center or e-wallet and select on Gcash and then tap confirm. And once done, you just have to tap on place order and entering your Gcash to basically access your Gcash account and use that Ggives money from the available balance to purchase this product on Shopee. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.